Welcome to this fast-track guide to K12, the role of data management systems. Let's get straight to the point. A data management system, or DMS, isn't just a database. It's the entire ecosystem a company uses to look after its data. Think of it as three interlocking parts: the software tools like databases, the processes like data backups and cleaning, and the policies or rules for security and access. The goal of all this is simple: to make sure the company's data is kept secure, is well organized and trustworthy, and is accessible to the right people when they need it. Understanding this is fundamental, and you need to show evidence of it in your portfolio. There are two key concepts you need to grasp. First, there are two main families of databases. SQL databases are like rigid spreadsheets, perfect for structured data like sales figures. NoSQL databases are like flexible filing cabinets, great for less structured data like website comments. Second, you interact with these systems all the time, even if you don't realize it. Your company's CRM, its HR system, even its SharePoint site are all types of data management systems. Your first action is simple: pick one system that you use regularly at work. Write down its name and what it's used for. This is the first step to creating your portfolio evidence. To pass, you need to provide evidence. Here are three straightforward ways to do that. First, identify a system. Write a short paragraph for your portfolio describing the role of a key system you use, like the main customer database. What is its purpose? Second, find a policy. Go to your company's intranet, find the data protection policy, copy one rule, and write a single sentence explaining why that rule exists. This shows you understand the governance aspect. Third, map a flow. Take a simple process like raising an IT support ticket and draw a simple box and arrow diagram showing where the data goes. Any of these is a perfect, concise piece of evidence for K12. To make your evidence count, structure it using the STAR method. It tells a clear story that assessors can easily mark. Start with the situation: the sales team was using inaccurate customer data. Then the task: I needed to find the correct process for updating it. Next, your action: I found the data governance policy, identified the CRM as the single source of truth, and mapped the correct data entry process. Finally, the result: I shared this map with the team, and now our data is more accurate. That is a perfect, high-scoring reflection. Finally, let's talk about your major project. This is critical. To get a merit or distinction, you cannot simply describe what you did, you must justify why you did it. Do not just write in your report, I used a SQL database. Instead, write, a relational SQL database was chosen because the project's business requirements demanded high levels of data integrity for financial transactions. This simple change elevates your work. It shows you're not just following instructions, you are making strategic technical decisions based on business needs, which is a core competency of a digital and technology solutions professional.